Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I'd like to discuss the fundamental counting principle, as well as give an explanation of why it works using a diagram. For example, if we have 2 pairs of shoes and 3 pairs of socks, and want to figure out exactly how many ways we can wear them, we first notice that the possibility of choosing a pair of shoes is 2, because we are given in the problem there are 2 pairs of shoes available. But the pair of socks becomes more tricky, because for each individual pair of shoes, there are 3 pairs of socks, and not simply 3 pairs of socks overall as you might expect. So this means that there are actually 6 pairs of socks available and not simply 3. This may seem like nonsense at first, but if we consult a diagram, we can see the reasoning why this works. We see that the first choice is 1 out of the 2 pairs of shoes. And then, for each pair of shoes separately, there are 3 possible sock choices, as indicated in the problem. So we can see clearly why, from the diagram, that there are 6 sock choices, and not simply 3, as the choices of socks starts anew when you choose a different pair of shoes. This means, in conclusion, that the formula for the fundamental counting principle is number of first events possible times number of second events possible times number of third events possible, etc. But the caveat to this is that the formula only works if the events are independent, or that the probability of the second event does not decrease because of what happens in the first event, or the probability of the third event does not decrease because of what happens in the first 2 events, etc. Now that we've explained the fundamental counting principle, we can move on to combinations and permutations, starting with the more simpler type, permutations, as permutations are order sensitive while combinations are not. So you have a more complicated amount of choices with combinations than you do with permutations. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.